A package a day, keep the doctors away. Yes, VSX-LX805. Let's get naked. A couple of months ago, I opened up the LX805 box to show you the overall look of the VSX-LX805 coming up from Pioneer in July of 2023. At the time, many of you asked me to open up the case of this 60-pound behemoth so we all can see the innards of this unit. So just as a reminder, this unit comes double boxed because, it's really heavy and the unit requires better protection considering how heavy it is. Also as a reminder, this is how the remote looks like. And yes, as you can see there, it is backlit. And with nice button placement as well. So it's easy to find and you don't have to search for it. And as a recap, here's the back of the VSX-LX805. And to open this unit, it requires me to open up 15 screws. 15 screws. And as usual, time to bring in the heavy machinery. A few moments later. From here you can see the gigantic power supply, flanked by also gigantic heat sinks for the power amplification, Class AB that is. And on the right side, that's the processor board. You can see ESS Saber DAC at the bottom right corner, followed by Cirrus Logic chip. And somewhat hidden in the corner there, it's a TI chip that decodes Dolby Digital and DTS. Now we're moving on to the power supply board for the internal fans. There are multiples of them. And on the right side there is the power supply board from the AC input. And from there, that thing is connected to that gigantic power supply casing in the front middle area of the receiver. Again, the power supply is flanked by multiple giant heat sinks that are required to cool down the power amplification of this Class AB amplification. From this point, I'm just going to share with you some more videos of the internals of this unit. I'm just going to shut up now because I don't know what else to say. Other than, hopefully I can get this unit by the end of June or July, the latest. Especially because currently I'm having a severe bout of upgrade-itis. I need to upgrade. And I want it right now. So now we have reached the end of this video. What do you think about this receiver? Share your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much again, and goodbye.